Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. So this morning we are gonna go do some river fishing. I'm gonna go to a spot that I've gone to a few times before, just because it's closer and I want to get on the water here like relatively early. It's not like super early right now, it's about 6:30, but I'm gonna get on the water just to see if I can get them on a topwater bite or something else. We had like a cold front moving. It's not super cold this morning. It's about 46 degrees out, but I mean, it could turn them on fire, but it might not. It might make them a little lethargic and crap like that, but we're gonna go see, and then I might move to like a few new spots that I've never fished before and just see if we can get some smallmouth on the hook. So yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned. Alrighty, we are here and I'm just gonna take some casts up here just to see. This looks freaking good right in here. So I'm just gonna try and slowly work my, cause I don't know, there could be fish right in these shallow pools. There's one. Yes. Let's go. Not a bad one. Not a bad one. No, he threw it! Freak! That is a good sign though. Oh man, that sucks. He didn't really hit it that hard. I was expecting him to, you know, miss it, if anything. There's one. I got him. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Oh yes. Alright guys, so first fish of the morning, a nice quality smallmouth. Freaking, I had one on just before that, a few casts before that. He popped off, and I threw it down over there, and I was just popping it on top of the water, and he didn't hammer it, but they just came up and slurped it. Freaking nice smallmouth, beautiful colors on him. Just look at that, nice smallmouth. Not a bad size for this part of the river. And yeah, hopefully we can get on some more. And 2 bites on topwater already. That is a good sign. That is a good sign. Alright, time for a release. Thank you, dude. There he goes. Time for some more. That was sick. No way. Jeez. What in the world? Dude, they are being so aggressive today. Oh, that was sick. That's another good one. Holy, that's a big freaking smallmouth. Holy crap. Come on. No. Holy crap. Oh, he just came off. No way. Let's go. Holy crap. Dude, that thing's bigger than the last one. Oh my gosh. He hit it like right at the bank. Oh my gosh, dude. They are freaking hammer. They're not even like hammering the bait, but they are like so freaking, they're smashing the topwater. I mean, just look at that fish. That's a nice quality smallmouth for this river. Like, that has to be close to 14 inches. If not 15 inches right there. They saw him. He is a nice freaking smallmouth for this river. Oh my gosh. There he goes. There's one. Let's go. Is it another good one? Oh yeah. Not super big, but oh, it's a fall fish. Come on, just let him fight a little bit. All right. Dang, that thing's a chunky one. All right. First fall fish and third fish of the morning. That's a nice one. That's a pretty nice one. There's one. Sweet. Dude, is that a trout? Oh, it's a pickerel. No way. Oh, no. Where'd he go? Oh, dude, that was sick. I don't even know if he actually, like, was hooked. What in the world? That was awesome. Where are you? Oh, it's a fall fish. Thought it was a smallmouth. Another nice fall fish. It's pretty long. He's not super fat, but still, nice fish. Fall fish are pretty fun to catch them. I mean, if you've never caught a fall fish before and you have them somewhere around you, you should definitely try and catch them, because I don't know, they put up like a different type of fight, and it's sometimes if you get a good one on, I mean, they fight pretty darn hard and they dig. And they can get pretty darn big too. They don't, like, I know around here I catch some pretty decent sized fall fish, you know, 15, 16, 17 inch size fall fish, and they get pretty darn chunky too. It's like, they're pretty nice to catch. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. That is all for today. I was going to get to another spot, but I actually stayed here for a good while trying to catch a bunch of fish, because this spot was just, it was producing, so I stayed here and I fished it out. So it was awesome to get on a topwater bite. I was so hoping to come out and catch some on topwater, and I was able to. I think I came a little too late. I think they were starting to like shut off on the topwater. But it was awesome to catch those two nice smallmouth right away on topwater. I probably could have had like 4 or 5 on the little tiny torpedo that I was using, but you know, some were just popping off. They weren't like really just like attacking it. They would just kind of go up and slurp it, and I don't think they were really like eating it yet. So, but it was cool, and caught some nice fall fish. Also caught a pickerel. I didn't land them, but I had them on, and it was just a good morning. It was a great morning to come fishing. It's a little windy now, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on the next one.